Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to download and install a Roblox application on your Android device. To install Roblox on Android is super easy. Launch open your Google Play Store on your Android device and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. From the home screen of your Google Play Store, go to the search button at the bottom and tap on it. In the search bar at the top, type in Roblox and search. From the list of search results displayed on the screen, go to the app that says Roblox from Roblox Corporation and tap on Install. Wait for the application to download and install, and once it does, click on Play. You'll then be able to see the welcome screen from where you can go ahead and sign into your existing Roblox account and get started, or create a new account if you haven't signed up yet. That's how you easily install the Roblox app on your Android phone or your Android tablets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.